Controller of Budget, Agnes Odhiambo, has faulted the National Assembly's delay in releasing funds to ministries, departments and agencies in line with their procurement plans, action which has caused low absorption of development budgets and led to a spike in pending bills. Odhiambo spoke while recounting her 8-year term in office, which comes to an end later this month. Lillian Carrier with the details.
When the Office of the Controller of Budget was established in 2011 and 51-year-old Agnes Odhiambo appointed by the President to head it, it sparked hope that budgets in government would be handled more efficiently for the timely implementation of projects that benefit the public. In perhaps her last public appearance as the Controller of Budget, Odhiambo revealed culprits behind the reduced uptake of funds, both at the national level and in counties.
Is this hostile relationship between county executives and county assemblies? This affects the budget-making process because budgets are not approved in time.
Pending bills, which had increased to more than 100 billion shillings in the previous financial year, have adversely affected the economy, disrupting the smooth flow of operations for many businesses.
Counties need to pay small and medium enterprises.
Odhiambo highlighted high expenditure on salaries and capacity constraints in the oversight and management of budgets as some of the challenges facing counties, and asked them to look into ways of selling financial loopholes to boost revenue collection.
Through looking at the budgets, we have observed that counties are collecting less revenue than their potential. Counties should consider using Kenya Revenue Authority to collect the taxes on their behalf.
Businesses and small and medium enterprises in particular at times suffer irrevocable damage to their operations as a result of the delayed payments without compensation.
You realize that SMEs make a very little margin. So in truth, what that does for a typical SME is you're literally choking them.
Policies to address delayed payments by the government or business entities have been the subject of discussion among government and trade facilitation groups, but no concrete action, such as imposition of penalties, has been taken to prevent their recurrence. Lillian Carrier, NTV.